What's up, plant lovers? Devin is here, and one of my favorite things about growing plants is finding ways that are creative, budget-friendly, and just very beautiful for displaying and really enjoying our houseplants. Whether that's turning pots upside down or making my own plant stand or my own plant table, I'm always trying to find new and fun ways of enjoying the plants inside the home. But every so often you come across some plant accessory or plant table that is both beautiful and highly functional. And for that reason, my good friend Ken sent me a couple of his tables to put together, show you guys how easy they are to put together, and then use them around my home in different settings in order to enjoy plants or just basically to enjoy living life in a more beautiful way. So in this video, I'm going to show you these tables, how to assemble them, and different ways I like using them inside the home. All right, so let's get into it. I'm just gonna start with the one with the straight legs. Now this guy's a little bit shorter than the rounded leg ones. It only is 20 inches tall, and the diameter of this beautiful tabletop, which is a ceramic tabletop with wonderful texture, this diameter is around 16 inches, which is slightly larger than the round one. But once you get it all taken out of the box, all you do is simply screw those legs on. The whole assembly, so to speak, it took like 45 seconds. And then once you get the legs screwed on, you put on these little protectors on the bottom of those legs so you're not scratching any surfaces wherever they may be placed. And that's really nice. Now here is the rounded one, which I love those rounded legs. It has a nice little touch. This one has a height of 22 inches and the diameter of the ceramic tabletop is 13.5 inches, which is a little bit shorter. Now this one, if the other one took 45 seconds, this one took 48 seconds to put together. It was so easy and so fast. Screw those legs on just like that, and then they give you these different kind of protectors for this one, but equally effective. Well, if that wasn't the easiest assembly I've ever had for a table, I don't know what is. Now you can see they both have this beautiful ceramic top. It's really nice, high quality, and the legs have this anti-rust paint on them so they're not gonna rust to the weather. All right, so now the fun part, utilizing them in the home to really amp up the beauty. Now here you can see me putting it right next to the bed. This is the straight-legged version. It's the perfect height and the perfect size for a nice little plant. And here you can see a close-up version of that wonderful textured ceramic tabletop. And due to their weather-resistant materials, they're perfect for putting outside as well. Whether it's on your front porch or patio, next to a lounge chair, next to a bench, they look great and they're very functional. Now, if you have a piece of furniture that needs a little table next to it, these ones are the perfect sizes for that. It not only will hold a plant easily, but it has enough space that you can put a couple other things on it as well, which makes it even more functional. Easily fit a book, your cup of coffee, whatever you want. And these rounded legs are so lovely. Let's take one last look at this wonderful ceramic tabletop. The colors, the design, they're very easy to incorporate into any indoor or outdoor furniture scheme. Well, so if you do enjoy the look of these tables, you like the colors, the size of them, they're perfect for corners and nooks, maybe for you or someone close to you, a family member or a friend, check the description for a link below. Right now, they are on a promotion. My friend Ken told me, let your followers know that they're going to be on promotion for a little while, so go check them out. They're a great deal, they're beautiful, and they're a really lovely table for so many different uses in the home. Anyways, thank you guys for joining me here on Plant Vibrations. I'll catch you soon. Ciao.